Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Jeff Anozie and today we are at Thinkers Corner. Yes, we are at Thinkers Corner ENUGU. Look at the entrance. With this place exactly is the entrance of Thinkers Corner. But before we go on, please, if you're new on this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, like this video at the end of the day if you like it, so that you can see this type of videos as we bring it from time to time. So we're heading into Thinkers Corner. We're actually heading to an estate called CHIME Estate. CHIME Estate. It's an estate owned by the former governor of Enugu State, Sullivan CHIME, and it's a very beautiful estate. As you can see, Thinkers Corner is fully developed. It's one of the best places right now to buy and build, especially for rent. All right, one of the best places in Enugu right now to buy and build, especially for rent. So block of flats, 1-bedroom flat, 2-bedroom flat, 3-bedroom flat, even a duplex, right, for rent, because of the position of the place, where Thinkers Corner is located. And you know, there's a Godfrey Okoye University right here as well, and this place is super developed. It's just a few minutes drive to the airport, the international airport. It's a beautiful place actually. The inter-road network is properly planned. The entire place is beautiful. Now, rentage in this environment go from between 800,000 to 1.5 million, all right, per year. Like, so that's to show you how beautiful and how lucrative rentage is within this environment. So we're heading to CHIME Estate right here in Thinkers Corner, located just behind the Godfrey Okoye University and just about, say, 20 minutes drive from the Enugu International Airport. Okay, this place is a fully built up environment. As you can see, interroad network is amazing. The roads are tarred. A typical plot of land go from between 15 million to 30 million. I mean, there are even some that are around 1,000 square meters that go for like 40 million and to 48 million, all right, within this Thinkers Corner environment. So yes, it's a beautiful place to actually buy property and build. So welcome to CHIME Estate Enugu. We've just come into the estate. This is the entrance of the estate. As you can see, is tarred houses. It's a built up estate that like you can see, people live here. All right, and yes, there are just a few plots of land here and there within this estate available for sale. So we have some plots of land here available for sale. I'm just going to take you around so you can see, just enjoy the view. We have plots here ranging from 25 million naira to around 48 million naira, all right, per plot. Yes, plot of 500 square meters, so 60 by 100, all right, within this estate. So I'll take you around. I'll show you the ones for 48 million, and I'll show you the ones for 25 million and 30 million as well. So right here in this estate, you can build a block of flats, you can build a duplex, right? But no bungalows are allowed in this estate. There are no bungalows allowed in this estate. So just duplexes and block of flats, all right? So right here around this corner, at this corner right here, there's a corner plot here going for 48 million. There are actually two plots of land there. Each one goes for 48 million naira right here on the left. All right, right there on the left, two plots of land, each going for 48 million naira. You can see the roads are tarred. One of the plots is a corner plot, and the other one beside it is just beside. As you can see, this particular one is a corner plot and the other one is just beside it. See the environment built up, many houses and all of that. So this one is available for sale, fastest finger. They're just two plots actually, all right. So it's a first come first serve. Okay, this is inside CHIME Estate Enugu, just right inside CHIME Estate in Thinkers Corner. So you can decide to build a duplex for yourself, or you can decide to build a block of flats. All right, you can build up to 2 stories right here. So let's say 6 flats in all, right? So you can see the environment built up, beautiful place. Okay, as a lot of people are quite interested. So let's just drive around a bit. Let me show you the other side of this estate where they just acquire the land and they're trying to expand it. Okay, yeah. So if you're interested in this, just call me up on 080-967-37668 and let's discuss. You can also reach me now on 0806-331-2201 and let us discuss. I'm Jeff Anozie. I'm your favorite real estate consultant based here in Enugu State. If you like this estate or you like this type of estate tour or property tours, subscribe to this channel, hit the like button. This estate has a C of O. It carries a global C of O. Alright, so you get a global C, you get a deed of assignment, you get a survey, registered survey plan. Now, as you can see, this area now is the second phase of this estate. This place, they are yet to tar the roads. However, they are already selling property here. People are buying. Okay, people are buying and putting up their buildings already. Okay, so like I said, we have plots ranging from 25 million to 48 million right here in CHIME Estate, within 25 million to 48 million right here. You can see some free land in this area. Now this is the second phase of the estate. Okay, and this is where plots range from 25 million to 30 million naira right here per plot of 500 square meters. So lots of people are buying and building. See the built up environment, all right here in CHIME Estate. So go ahead and call me now and book your site inspection. I'll bring you to the estate and show you around. Then just select your plots and then we take it up from there. So enjoy the rest of the video. All right, I'm Jeff Anozie. Again, my goal is to help you make safe and profitable real estate investments right here within Enugu State. One of the things we do as well as a company is to help you do your due diligence. We can help you carry out due diligence on any property that you are looking to buy. The company is Fortrail Real Estate Investment Company, right here, registered in Nigeria. So we help you do all your due diligence. We help you do your land verification. We help you with your documentation as well. All right, so call me now on 00967376668 or 0806-331-2201. Enjoy the rest of the video and have a wonderful, fantastic day. Bye for now.